How many books have you read since August 24th? That's 6.5 weeks. How many would you think? A Kansas City area 7th grader has read 47 in that time. It's a book a day. Mitch Weber introduces us to the speed reader and his goal to read a book a day until the end of the school year.
When 12-year-old Hamilton Gates heads into the library, there's a good chance he won't be leaving with just one book.
I just browse for the books that look like they would interest me and other people, and I just choose them. I read one a day. It's sort of fun.
One book a day since August 24th. The book's between 200 and 300 pages.
A lot of the students say, you're sort of crazy for reading a book a day. They're like, why would you read that much? I just say, because it's fun. I actually like to read.
His parents, both teachers in the Liberty School District, taught Hamilton how to read at an early age.
I thought that it was really cool that I could read whenever other kids didn't, so I guess I just kept that love of reading.
Hamilton's blog is called Searching for the Perfect Book. He credits his mom for giving him the idea to blog each one of his reviews.
This isn't for a class project.
No.
You're not getting credit for it.
Nope, none.
So why do you do it?
Well, it's a good way to catalog all the books I read, to show all my favorite books on it.
I read his reviews. You couldn't write reviews like that just skimming or reading the back of the cover. I mean, he's legitimately reading these books.
Hamilton expects he'll keep this up until at least the end of the school year. His advice for anyone who wants to read more?
Find a book that you like, and then you just stick with it.
And make sure you have enough hands to carry all your books.
So how does he find the time? Well, he says he gets his homework done during school and reads whenever he gets a moment. We've linked his blog to our website, so head over there and check it out at kshb.com. Mitch Weber, 41 Action News.